So, all screws are out. Everything's ready. Scotty, you ready for me to...
Yes, sir.
You ready
Let's do this.
You ready for me to pull out?
Dude, I've been ready for you to pull out for a long time.
Oh my god. Okay, so I'm gonna take off the top. Let me pull the stud out.
Okay, so you're gonna take the top out.
After I pulled out the stud. And it goes on like this, people. Okay, anyway.
Every day?
It's always like this. You're ridiculous. Anywho. Alright, everything looks fairly... I know where that went. It's good. Everything looks... That was the one screw from up here.
Okay.
And it hit the floor, so we're fine. So there's our floats. They look actually fresh. Our accelerator pump looks fairly fresh. I'm curious about our needle and seat here in our float.
Right.
If you look right there.
I'll try and zoom in a little bit.
Right there. They're looking good.
Okay.
They're nice and clean. This thing seems to have been freshly rebuilt, even though it
runs like crap.
It runs okay once it's lit, but it runs like crap because it's not getting fuel pressure. So we're good there. Look at that. Both needle and seats are good. Watch, I can blow in here. Oh, that's just our accelerator pump. It's fine.
And you said you're straight.
And I know I'm not making more than 5 or 6 PSI, so
yeah,
you know that's working just fine.
Mm-hmm.
So we either A, have something blocking in here, in our bowl,
right,
or our line itself. So let's, I guess we'll take our bowl out.
Which is 9/16
and a half. So I'm going to undo this line first, blow through it, and then we'll pull this line off and see. And then you know what else we might try? Maybe we'll pull the bowl and take the filter assembly completely out of it and see if something's blocking it somewhere.
Okay.
Even in that. So just chasing through. So I'm going to set this down gently over here. And I did bring the rebuild kit just in case. We got to fish out our accelerator pump, which is right here. I can get it. And I got to get that screw off the floor, but that's not going to be a big deal either. Okay, so let's check this now. Here's my half. 9/16 is right here. Oh. Fat guy's falling apart. Let me. Okay. Of course, these are not original lines. Somebody made these. They look like they're made out of like...
It's brake line.
Yeah, it is. I mean, I've made lines too, but I actually make them a little...
Nicer?
Bend a little nicer. Yeah. Oh, dude.
So what's it taste like, Bobby? Tell us. For a first-time blower.
All sweat. No, just kidding. All right. So we know we're getting fuel in. Let's put this all back together. I'm going to pull our bowl.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just going to take the whole filter element out.
Well, why don't we take it out in one assembly first, because it makes it easier, because if that bowl drops, it's irreplaceable.
It's replaceable, but it's a pain in the ass.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nothing's irreplaceable. It just takes time and money. Okay, so I'm going to undo these. But you can see our fuel bowls in the carb. They're clean. There's a little sediment in the bottom, but nothing that's going to fuck us like it was. So, excuse me. So we need to get our bowl out. Here. Poof, poof, pat. No, wrong bowl.
Puff, puff, pass. It is a... Oh, yeah. Oh, you forgot. I forgot you have to do those with players.
Yeah. My hands are a little dainty. Sorry.
Well, you know.
Sorry,
that's what happens when you come from money and you're privileged.
Bitch, please. Oh, come on, hose. Okay, hose is off. Let me pop our half here. All right, we'll get our bowl off. I feel like I'm extra slow. Hey, the fries are done.
I know, right? And your phone's going crazy.
Everybody's always talking to me. See, a little bit of fuel. Little bit of vagina. I mean, fuel. I mean, whatever you want. My phone's fucking annoying.
All right, so let's do that over the ground because you're gonna dump
No shit, Sherlock. I got
fizzle. You're gonna dump fizzle, my nizzle.
Crack my fucking wee-wee on that.
Yeah, don't crack your wee-wee on that, folks. That hurts.
That hurts. That hurts, pee-pee. What are you looking at, pee-pee? Okay. What the fuck is going on there? That wasn't puffy like that yesterday, was it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right, so I'm just going to set this in here. I'll put our seal back. The seal! Oop. What an idiot. Okay, fuck, dude. Why isn't this... Oh, there it goes. Now I got to jack it off. Ready?
Ready.
Okay. And don't crank it too tight. Scotty and I have talked about this. Now... That's clear. So,
Either we have a bad carb.
everything in the carb looks right. So, that's telling me we have... Where the fucking goddamn... There it is. That's telling me that either the filter was blocking it, there was something in the line, or the brand new pump could be a piece of shit too.
Yeah, we've had that happen before.
That happens a lot, dude. That annoys me it happens so much. Okay, so queso, that's cheese. Ha 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 ha. Ha ha ha. Fries are done again?
And I bet you I found the problem with the generator light.
Oh, I'm sure.
Broken wire.
Oh, that's fucking
And the positive wire on the back of the alternator is hanging on by a thread.
cute. All right, we'll address that in a little bit. It's funny, as I put all that shit in months ago, and it was nice and tight, and everything was perfect. So that's always fun. Somebody's monkeying with my shit. Okay, I'm gonna leave all these loose so we can get them all started. All right, so we'll put the carb back together real quick, and we'll try it. Ooh, hit the stop button.